So one more question. I think Irfan is asking. This is the question. Please share the HR round questions. Do you have any questions on HR round?
HR round, see, mostly HR round, they will not ask any question. They will ask you, okay, so you have passed, all the levels, and what is your expectation on salary? This is the first question. And if you are, I think for me, it has happened that I always, whatever I asked, they said okay, without any negotiation. But if you trying to overshoot their budget, they may say that, no, we don't have this budget, so we can offer you, say, let's say some X amount if you ask for some Y amount. Then you can always tell them, no, this is not what I'm looking for. So let me get back to you, and they will call you back saying, okay, we have revised the offer, and this is our current final offer, like that. So I think it is mostly just about the package. That's it.
Yeah, package they may ask you, and they will be talking about your notice period. So how soon you can join? And they may ask you sometimes what were the roles and responsibilities you had in the previous organization, right?
For me, it was not there in HR round.
Okay.
They asked in the previous round, in the technical interview, especially the last rounds, where the the senior managers are taking the interviews. They will be asking what is your role and how do you want your career to shape up, or these sort of questions, because they want to see where you will be a good fit in the current organization.
Right.
Like that. So
they may ask you, why are you looking out for a new change?
Yeah, they asked
That's
this
the one more.
question. Yeah, they asked, why are you looking out for a change? What is the reason you're looking out for a change? And these sort of questions were asked. And in HR round, how soon can you join? And if you tell them that you are currently working and all, they will be like, okay, we'll buy it out, or is there a possibility of buying out your notice period? Is that question is asked immediately. So, and if you are holding any current offers, this is also what they will ask, and if you are holding any current offer, what is the maximum current offer that you are holding? So this is they will ask, so they also know that, okay, and they will ask you which area it is, what is it convenient for you, and what arrangements can we do about it. So so like that. Any other offers is something which everybody will ask. So if you tell them you are holding good offer, means they will be behind you.
That is very sure.
Correct, for sure, yeah.
See, if you have the knowledge, nobody can stop you, even though it's being a recession now. Okay, so knowledge matters.
Correct.
Akshay?
Yeah.
For practice, other than a sir's assignment, do you used any other sources for practice purpose?
See, you can go on YouTube and just search for SQL questions, practice questions, or you can use a lead code, hacker rank. These are the websites, or Code Lemur is there. There are many free websites. These are the free websites where you can practice writing the queries. But just keep in mind that there will be a syntax issue, because we are mostly using SQL Server. So they may be using, at the backend a PostgreSQL or MySQL. So you will have to modify your code a little bit.
Okay.
Logic will be same, syntax will be a bit different.
Yeah, but the interview, they will ask only logics, right?
Only logic. Nobody will ask you, tell me the syntax, because you can easily Google the syntax, even if you forget, no? You can Google it, no? And you can write it. But logic is important.
Yes, very true. Thank you.
Yeah. And other than SQL, other topics like SSIS, Power BI, and database, did you also refer to internet for these topics, or only for SQL Server you referred internet? Other search classes are sufficient.
I did not understand your question.
I think, as you mentioned, that for SQL Server and for practice purpose, we can refer Lead Code or CodeChef or some other websites and YouTube channels which you suggested. But apart from SQL Server, for other topics like SSIS and Power BI and Data Warehouse,
For
Are
that,
these
you have the project, no? You work on the project.
okay? Okay,
There
okay.
will
So
be
the
assignments
project,
in the end-to-end project will have assignments. So work on that.
okay, okay. So project will substitute for these topics, and for SQL Server, you
Correct.
just need to additionally make some extra. Okay,
Correct.
fine.
Correct.
Abhi is asking how many interview you faced to get the job.
Every interview that I faced, I've got the job.
All interviews you're successful then.
Yeah, other interviews I did not take up because I was reading the job description and I did not like it. So even if the HR will call, I will tell them I'm not interested in the profile.
Okay.
Yeah, simply, or if it is out of Pune, I will reject it. If they are asking me, if because there will be sometimes there will be there will be an ETL like Matillion they'll be asking, which I have never done.
Correct.
So in this situation, or they may ask me that you have some Azure knowledge, can we put you on? I have not done Azure, so how can I work on it?
Correct.
So these type of calls I will reject.
Correct.
And or they may ask me that can you work on visualization and all. If that
Mm.
is a visualization is something which I did not want to pursue much.
Mm.
So I will reject these type of calls. So I have reject almost every call. I will reject only the ones that I feel that is good. Only one I failed as an interview. The other two I have cracked. Other calls I have just taken, but I have not scheduled the call.
Yeah. Guys, anything else you would like to
So
ask?
Akshay, what do you answer when they ask you like why are you looking for a change?
No, I tell them that in my current organization, I do not see any future for my current personal growth. So I'm looking out for a change.
Okay, that's the only reason you usually told.
Yeah, you never say anything bad about your current organization. You always tell them that whatever you had to learn, you learned. But now your growth has, you are looking out for growth. So you are looking out for more opportunities. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
So guys, thank you so much, everybody.